So there's the bush that JP made me. I've also cut a piece of tube that's going to fit nice and snug inside there, so that I'm going to press this down using the pin as a guide. So this is going to fit nice and snug onto there, and that's going to fit there, so when we push it down it's going to push down, but it's not going to collapse the casing. So a little bit of thread retainer. Well, we'll clean it off first, and while that's drying off we'll go and set up the press. Right, here it goes. That's in there. It's in. Back to the bench. So there you go, bit of clean up. Lovely. Everything's nice. No buckles, nothing like that. So the next thing, we've knocked out all the bearing races and things like that. The only thing I forgot to do, and then I'm going to go and have a cup of tea before I forget, is to replace the little O-ring that's in here. I shall need my little prick, but it doesn't come out. There she goes. Now, I don't usually get a lot of leaks with these for some reason. It's also always the back one. But I'm going to clean it all up, blow it away, and then we'll look for a new one in the kit, because this is the kit with all the bits in. They're only a slightly different size front to back. I think this looks like the chap. Right, get it out. That looks like him, does it? It's not the back one, is it? Oh, that's the one. Kind of tricky to put in. But it's in, and discard the old one in the bin, because otherwise you'll think it's from something else. Now, tea time, and we'll start to see what the next stage is on assembling this. So we've done the differential, it looks a bit oily and things like that, that's okay now. We might have to start pressing bearings into this.